Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 quick steps to fix slow Steam download speed or connection issues. These tips will help boost your performance and ensure a smoother gaming experience. So let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up your Steam application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the Steam, then tap on Settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on Downloads. Then you want to go ahead and simply select the region closest to where you live. This helps Steam connect to the nearest server for faster downloads. Once done, head back to your home screen. And then in the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for View Network Connections. Tap onto it. And then inside here, right click onto your Wi-Fi. Then tap on Properties. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Internet Protocol version 4. Then inside here, tap on Use the following DNS server addresses. In the first line, type in 8888. In the second line, type in 8844. Once done, tap on OK. And once you have done that, the last step is to go ahead and simply tap on the search icon, type in CMD, and then tap on Run as Administrator. So inside here, you want to go ahead and simply type in ipconfig/+DNS, tap Enter. Once done, you want to go ahead and type in netsh winsock reset and then tap Enter. And after you have done that, go ahead and simply restart your computer, and then Steam should run smoother with faster download speed. And that's it. These 3 steps should fix Steam download issues, lags, and connection problems. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.